Small David Delphine, and I am reporting from the city of Malolos, Bulacan, Philippines. Today is July 26, 2026. The weather is partly cloudy with a chance of rain. The sky has a mix of clouds and sunshine, and there might be light showers later in the day. The temperature is warm, so it might feel a little humid outside. Because of today's weather, I recommend wearing light and comfortable clothes such as t-shirt, short, or pants. Don't forget to bring an umbrella or a raincoat in case it rains. This weather is great for playing indoor games, reading books, or watching movies. Wow. Before I end, here is a safety tip. Always carry an umbrella, stay hydrated, and avoid playing outside during heavy rain or thunderstorm. That's all for today's weather report. Again, this is Small David Delphine reporting. Have a great day and stay safe. Bye-bye!